Hey there, how's it going? So in this video, we'll be learning about how we can install local WordPress in our computer, whether it is Mac or Windows. And I'll also be showing you like which software we can use in order to install the WordPress on our system easily. So here in Google, you'll just need to write it as wplocal. It will take you to wplocal.com. So here you'll just need to go to localwp.com and here you'll need to download your local WP software. So here once you click on this, you'll have to select your platform, whether it is Windows or Mac. So you can select Windows if you're using Windows. So since I'm using Mac, I'll select Mac, and here you'll need to fill up your name, email, and all other details. And then you have to click on Get It Now. Once you click on Get It Now, a software will be downloaded to your system and you'll have to install it. So once you install it, you will be able to run it, the local WP on your system. So I have already installed it here as you can see, and I also have added one website to my system. Here, in order to install new WordPress on your system, you'll have to click on this plus icon, as you can see here in the bottom, this icon. So here you'll need to type the name of your website. So you can type, I already have created a website with the name of demo. So here I'll write it as developer. And you can select the advanced options like whether you want the extension or not, and here you can select the path of your WordPress, and you can even select whether you want to use a blueprint or not. So currently I'm not changing any of those. I'm visible with its default options. So I'm going to continue here, and then here you can select your custom versions, MySQL and server versions, like whether you want to install any other PHP version and web server like Apache or Nginx, and you can even select the database versions as well. So here I'm selecting the preferred versions to install the latest things on my WordPress, and you'll have to write the username and password. Here I'm typing as admin, the username, and same I'm keeping here. So here you'll have to type your email address. You can change it to your email address, and then here you'll have to select whether you're installing a multi-site or what. So I'm not installing a multi-site, so I'll not select it. I hope you know what is multi-site actually. So multi-site is a website, multi-site is a WordPress installation wherein multiple sites will be running on a single WordPress. So I'm not selecting it currently, and I'll proceed here. So my WordPress is getting installed now. Installing it will ask you for a host redirection and to enter your system password if you have kept a password. So you'll have to accept it and then install your system password. Then it will be installing the WordPress on your local computer. So the WordPress has got installed successfully, and then it is showing the developer added. So you can visit by clicking over here. So as you can see, I have kept the extension as .local, so it's coming like this, and you see a website is coming here. So you can log into WordPress admin of this website by going to this option over here, wherein you'll have to enter your credentials that you had entered while creating your WordPress, while installing your WordPress. So here I'm logged in, developer.local. So here you can even see that like you can install any of the themes, plugins as per your need, and you can even make all the settings. So this is how you can install and use the WordPress on your local computer by using a very easy software called as Local by Flywheel, that is Local WP. This local WP has one of the best features that you can see here, like you can even select the PHP versions, and you can even change the web servers as per your need, and you can even check the database from here by clicking on this option, and you can even change the PHP database as per your need. It will be giving you all the tables that WordPress gives by default, like post meta, options, users, everything. So as you can see, we will be having post WP options, which is the most important table in our WordPress. Like it selects our site URL, home URL, all the basic options of our website. So I hope this is clear with you, and please do install and test it. And if you want to share the URL of your WP local WordPress to someone else to check it, you can even do so by going to this live link option over here. You'll just have to enable this live link, and then you'll have to copy it and share it with the other person. So this live link will be active for 24 hours, and it will only be opened when your system is turned on. So it won't work when your system is off, and it will be expired automatically after 24 hours. This is a limitation of the free user. You can upgrade and use it for a longer time, and it will give you some extra features. So I hope the things are clear. If you want, if you have something queries or some questions, you please feel free to write back to me in the comment section. I'll be very happy to assist you. And please subscribe to my channel to keep getting newer updates, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the updates directly to your inbox. And till then, take care. Bye bye.